Pero anong basa mo? Bakit hindi namamatay yung mga issue ng coup? Kasi kakapalit lang natin ng Senate President eh. And meron na tayong bagong SP. Eto na naman, umuusok na naman. Bakit kaya?
Well, the 9-member minority, no, quote-unquote called the Duterte Bloc, pero parang hindi siya hardcore Duterte, may iba doon na parang medyo soft pro-Duterte, no, sa 9 senators. Regardless, hard or soft na pro-Duterte, they are strong as a 9-member bloc. And you only need 2 to 3 votes to go to your own minority bloc, magiging majority kayo because the 15-member majority of Senator Soto is a fragile majority. No? Even naman, I think the members of the majority are aware that their majority ship is a fragile one. One, because you have 2 Villars who can jump ship anytime. Because remember, di ba, nagtanong ang mga tao, the people were rightfully asking, wow, sumali yung 2 Villar sa majority block ni Senator Soto. They thought that the Villars would stick it out with the Duterte block because of recent politics, recent realignment, and usually, if you're part of the majority, you support the administration. General thought lang naman yun, that doesn't always apply. So they thought, comfortable maging minority yung 2 Villar. So, yung 2 Villars na yan, they could switch anytime. And this is based on the insider information of Miss Ellen Tordesillas, no, sa Vera Files. She's from Vera Files. Ang kanyang information is, the 2 Villars are willing to jump anytime to Senator Cayetano or the minority bloc as long as nakuha na din nila 2 more other senators. So, kasi ngayon, di ba, if the 9 gets the 2 Villars, that's only 11. Hindi gagawin ng mga Villar yun because they will lose their committee chairmanships. Yung Committee on Environment and Committee on Public Works. 1 each for Camille Villar and 1 for Mark Villar. They will not jump ship unless Senator Alan gets 2 more others. Those 2 more others, kaya may murmurs, is because Senator JV said they were thinking of leaving the majority. You also had maybe Senator Migs Subiri saying he was not satisfied with the leadership despite him being in a leadership position, no? Parang nasabi niya yun a few days ago, like Senator JV. But things have come down now siguro because Senator Ping has already resigned as Blue Ribbon Chair Committee, and maybe yun naman yun yung makakapag-placate or makakapag-calm the waters kana Senator JV Ejercito and Senator Migs Subiri. So stable na ulit yung Senate leadership.